Welcome back to another episode of Under 2 Minutes. Today we're continuing on with creating shapes and we are going over the Ellipse tool, keybind L. So as you can see, this is just a tool for creating circles. Let's dive right in. Same rules apply for creating the circles as the rectangles. If I hold shift and draw, it's going to constrain that circle to a perfect circle width and height, and I can just let go. Now, if I draw with the Alt key selected, it's going to draw in to out. I can just draw freehand as well. I can draw a circle as long as I want. I can draw one as high as I want, as thin as I want. Very simple, but you can really get in depth with these. As you can see, this could be a hole in the floor. This could be an eyeball. So you can really get some detail with just circles. But there is one thing I want to show you, and that is if you click a circle, you will see this little widget icon. And I know I spoke before about saying widgets are used to manipulate edges and corners, but circles don't have any edges or corners. So what is this widget for? Let me show you. This is to create pie graphs. If I grab this widget and pull it, you can see it starting to kind of chip away at this circle. And if I let go, it's going to cut a chunk out of this circle. So it has just made an essential pie graph, and we'll go into that later. There's a lot of intricacy with pie graphs that we can do. I just wanted you to know that it's possible and what that widget is for. So the ellipse tool, very easy, simple as that. You can now draw a ton of shapes with that tool.